pushing changes to my GitHub pages. I've made a lot of pages on GitHub at this point. The Cowboy Printer repository. This one's just a video viewer. It's like a mini YouTube channel, and with its own little library, you could change stuff and put your own things in there. Cowboy Printer Picture Show is what I call it. So here's how it shows up if I send a link. The mobile message display is controlled by the property OG title contents in your HTML. And I don't like what it says now. I want to change it. So let's open up the index HTML. Open it up in VS Code or whatever you got going on. And there's my list of movies. You could change them, make them whatever you like. I got a little Rod Serling in there, some Ancien Andalou, Fred Friendly back in the day, 1952. Anyway, all that stuff can be changed pretty easily. You can see it, change it, mix it up. And that's what we're going to do right now. With the now streaming, I'm going to take away the with tumbleweed technology in 333D. I'm going to get rid of that. It's dumb. And look at that. VS Code is saying, Ancien Andalou, you want to add that? And I'm like, no, just hit down arrow. VS Code talks a lot. Okay, now we want to save this. And we're going to save this as the HTML. We're going to overwrite the thing that was there. And this is our new version. Don't make a new file. Unless you want to. You can sometimes do that. It's a dumb way to track your whole sequence. But, yeah, tracking changes through GitHub is how we do things. And how we share. And how we collaborate on stuff. You could put whatever you want in this little frame. And all you have to do is right-click on anything, and you can inspect the code and look at the console logs and check if there's an error. Performance is a good check. But I'm not going to be able to see now streaming. That's not going to show up on the web until I push this to GitHub. So save the index HTML, and it'll say always, are you sure you're going to overwrite and replace that file? And yeah, that's the point. So there it is. And now, how do you do that? Oh, I love this part. I just like the very satisfying noise. Get inside the folder and right-click inside the folder, and that allows you to open the folder in Git Bash, and that allows you to connect. You're going to bash that, and you're connected now. You're shaking hands with your repository, and you want to initialize this folder, initialize the change that you just made in the file, and then you want to add that file, which you can represent as a period, but it's not a period. Don't put it right next to the word. Put a space after add. Git add space dot. And now we're going to get commit, but I spelled it wrong. Git commit. So we're actually changing the OG title meta tag contents. Yeah. That's a better thing. And that goes into the great constant updating of the repository. That's part of the chain written there in the ledger. I'm going to check here. Yeah, see, git remote version. Yep, there it is. There's the Cowboy Printer Picture Show git fetch and push. And now I'm going to push up to the origin main. What does that mean? I'm going to push it. It's going up. So you can download or upload stuff. I'm uploading this. It's going to the origin, which is the remote there that I just checked, the remote version. That's a remote origin of the stuff that GitHub is hosting for me. I'm the main. My local machine is the main. And I push this now to live on the web, and now I send it to my friend, and there it is. And yes, it says just now playing, and the stupid message is gone. And there it is on Instagram as well. Ride the networks, run the machines, run the machines.